Dick Hi Cherries, hello YouTube. Dick Old Manny's got for you today. I've got the last flavour from Mr. Singh's Chili Crisps, which is spicy tandoori chicken flavour. Right, all the others have been absolutely good. The Carolina Reaper ones, they are hot. So, if anyone's ever tried them, be aware that they are hot. Right, the ingredients are potatoes, sunflower oil, rice flour, salt, sugar, garam masala, coriander, cinnamon, mustard, ginger, cloves, pepper, cumin, nutmeg, pimento, fennel, cardamom, spice extract, yeast extract, chili, natural flavourings, garlic powder, cumin, ground fenugreek, sweet smoked rice flour, acidity regulator, citric acid, parsley, paprika extract, cumin extract. That's what's in there. And they are a medium chili. They're vegan. Medium there. Oh, you can smell the garam masala without fire. That's what they look like in the packet. That's what they look like. There we are. I'm getting a lot of coriander coming through, which I don't mind. And you're getting that tandoori taste, like it's just come out of the tandoor oven. Wow. These, Mr. Singh is a very clever man, because that replicates it, sort of like the char as well of the chicken. These are really, really good. Flavour wise, I'm giving these a 10, because these are just no, there's even like, you know, when you get tandoori chicken, you want a piece of lemon there and you squeeze it over it. Even though there's no lemon in it, you've got that taste, like the citrus element to it. These are winner chicken dinner. Heat wise, tongue wings, little bit on the tip of the tongue. So I'm giving this a 1 on my heat scale. Well, I've been impressed with every packet I've had. Another good one. Hopefully he's going to bring out some more flavours, which would be nice. So on that note, like I always say, always love someone, tell someone you love them. Catch you later.